Hello, everybody. I just want to come off because I'm on break right now for like a quick second. I just got a couple items in. I'm going to unbox them and show you guys what they are, and I'll be back with you guys on my break for more details. But the first thing I got was this DJI new camera. This is the DJI Osmo Nano. So I got this, and then I got this as well so that I can put this on my phone so I can do my DJI mic mini attached here, do my voiceovers on my phone. I'm about to open these. I also got some accessories. I got this for the Nano and the case. I got these from Amazon. So yeah, let me first open this. This would be nice, wouldn't it? Just trying to get this tape. I actually ordered this from eBay because I've been watching this for a while, but it never comes inside the United States. So I ordered from China. It was about what, $25, $24, which it was on the website is $15. So of course, you know, they tax you on that. So this little piece can go in my phone, and I can do voiceovers. And it's just this little piece right here. So I'm also trying to see, can I use this on my iPad and on my MacBook, so I can do it over there too. So right now I'm gonna unbox this. This was a refurbished, so I got this at a very good price. Right now this is going for about $400, and this is the 64 gigs. It comes with this box and everything in this box. So let's open up this. Now keep looking up, like I said, I'm on break, so we're trying to do this real quick, and we'll go over in detail later on. This is the little suction cup mount. This is the mantle you put on your neck and magnify that. And this is for the cap, and it's also can be used as a little tripod as well. I'll show you guys that. And here is the actual piece. This is it. Come apart. I'm gonna go ahead and put my little thing on it. And I'm going to update it on my phone. And this piece go. There we go. And here it is. So let me go ahead and charge this up and get it set up. I'll be back with you guys on break, and we could be a little bit more detailed. So I'll be back. I'm back. I am on break. So yeah. So here is the DJI Osmo Nano. Yes, DJI Osmo Pocket Nano. Right now, I had let it, well, I just took it off the charge. I let it fully charge. It came with a little cap so you guys can cover the lens of it. Is it on? Let me cut it on. It says Osmo when I cut it on, and it loads. And there it is. And you can see what I see. I'm going to do a vlog on it probably tomorrow. Plan on doing Amazon Flex, so I may try that with it. But yeah, let's move on to the put it off. let's move on to what I got. I got this case. It came with screensavers on it that I put on there already. It came with this. This is a suction cup tripod. Now, I have seen people got this, but I don't think they noticed that you can take this off and actually use this on a regular tripod. So you have a tripod and you can just screw this back on. But yeah, this is 2 pieces, so it's 2 for 1. And this is the hat part, and this is the necklace, magnetic necklace. Now let me tell y'all something. As you can see, this magnet is strong, right? Look, that's how strong it is. This is how strong this is. So when you wear it, you have to clamp it. It clamps, but it don't clamp as hard. So what you actually can do, if you want something, a better clip, you can clip this on. And mind you, this is magnetic. So you could just still, I got nothing magnetic. I don't got nothing magnetic. I don't got nothing magnetic, but yeah, I don't have nothing magnetic. But you can just have this lid on like a tripod, and you can tilt it down and tilt it this way, so you can use this as like another mount that if you want to stroke a hole. So you got that, and oh yeah, this I did put this up to my iPad, and it did work. So I have my mic mini. I got one, so I can just do that and do my voiceover on my iPad, or I can do it on my phone. So yeah, just want to show you my new goodies that I have. I was excited to get it. I thought this was lost because it's been out for delivery for 3 days, but it got delivered today. But yeah, pretty much what I'm doing now is watching me some YouTube. I charged this, so it's ready for tomorrow. I'm probably finna do a little more plain clips with it. Put my accessories up. I'm gonna probably need this, so I'll put this in my bag, and I'm gonna keep this in my case. This is gonna be like in my bag camera, so this will always stay in my bag. Put my mic up in my case, and just clean up a little bit down here. Y'all hear trees rolling over the floor. He stopped. But there you go. Yeah, silly dog. But yeah. Just wanted to start off this vlog and show you guys what I got. But yeah. Let's start this vlog off. I'll see you guys later on in the next clip. Hey y'all. Hope all is well. Right now I am at Amazon Flex. I am on my new camera, my DJI Nano, testing the footage out and seeing how it does in low light and all that. So right now I'm currently waiting in line to see about my route. Ooh, Renault's running. Hopefully I don't have one and I can get a free route, easy money. I'm not sure how it's looking though, because I do see some more packages, so we'll see how that goes. I'm using the monitor in my hand, and I got you clamped up on my side. I can mount you here, and this is magnetic, but I don't got my Jeep no more, so a lot of my magnetic stuff is, I don't got a lot of it. So sometimes I can hang you up from here, I can hang you from my glass, my window. I'm just really just testing out and seeing how the footage come out. Yeah, so this would be a day in my life of me testing my DJI. Excuse my bonnet, y'all. When I do my Amazon, I usually have my bonnet on, so yeah. Trying to see, it keeps going out like that. I'm up and down like a pogo.
Hands up like a povo. Your love is divine.
Alright guys, I am back and ready to move. I got my packages. The majority of all my packages are right there. What I'm currently doing now is headed to, it says about 40 minutes out. I only got 25 stops and I probably got like 25 packages. I didn't have all my packages. I think 5 of them was not in there. Like the last 2 days at the station been kind of weird because the last 2 days they canceled the routes, so I didn't have to come up here. Then today they have a lot of routes, or a pretty good amount. Everybody got something, but a lot of people stuff was like all over the place. I had got, when I was going to get them to scan me out for my missing packages, a girl said that she thinks she got 2 routes because it was too far, the city was too far apart. So then you could tell they had hired a new class because a lot of people, the guy was just, they scan whatever it is not in your route, you can just bring back. And she was like, they'll be out the way because I got too many packages in 2 different locations, so it will take me longer to go through the packages and see what's route is what, because that's not my job basically. So I don't know what happened with that, but that was that. But yeah, right now I'm just hopping on the highway, headed to my first stop. Got 25 stops. I do got my lantern on to see if I can do a POV. So I'm gonna try that as well. But yeah, we're just testing the volume, the sound, everything in the video, see how it actually works for day to day. This camera, I will say, I don't plan on to use it for an all-day vlog. And if anything, it may be a day, but definitely not a weekly vlog. But yeah, it's like a camera that I can use when I'm out and about shopping. I can clip it on me. I can leave it in, like, get little cute little scenes and stuff like that. So, and like I say, this I got at an unbeatable price because DJI had went up. I think this camera now was almost $400. I got it for $230. It was refurbished, but it works just like a regular. So if I can get something refurbished, it's work just like brand new, got a warranty and everything on it, I'm getting it. So yeah, but anyway, let me get on the road. I'll be back throughout my shift and I'll talk to you guys in a few.
Subsides, seen through creative manifestations. That's been through here generations.
Hello.
Never failed me, never failed me.
You too.
From the beginning of time, I will come running to you. I always come running to you. I will come running to you. I would run coming to you, call. Your love don't divide, no. Every day multiply. It got me on a high, no. Addition, no minus. Your love don't divide, no. Every day multiply. It got me on a high, no. Addition, no minus. It's like ABC, yeah. Simple as 1, 2, 3. It's like ABC, yeah. Simple as 1, 2, 3.
Alright guys, I am headed back home. I finished my Amazon. I got some footage of what I can get. One thing I noticed even doing the vlogging while I was doing my Amazon is that I will probably prefer the clip on the hat, because when you know your shirt, it moves as you walk, it moves, and it's not as steady as I would like it to be. So the head mount I feel like will be more suffice. Maybe because of what I was doing of me just walking around and trying to get the angle right, make sure I'm in the right positions. You may see some of my clips with my handheld, because that is helpful to like make sure you're in frame when you are. But I found that I wasn't in frame a lot of the times. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. I'm headed home. It's currently 10:21. It says about 45 minutes to the house. Probably can get there a little bit quicker. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. And I have work at 2. So I'm gonna get home. I need to find out what I'm going to eat as well. As far as dinner. So when I go to work, I like to know what I'm going to eat for lunch or whatever. So I got to figure that out on the way home. But yeah, just want to give y'all a quick little update of how my Amazon Flex was. Yeah. And one thing I do see is that it's go out some. Like after 2 or 3 minutes, it kind of go out. But yeah. So far, I am liking it. It charges fast, especially with that charger that comes with it, because I can put it in my car and it charges up real fast. So it does drain fast, but it charges just as fast. So you gotta give and take with it. But yeah, let me get home, and I'll be back with you guys.